What have you got for me now, guys?
We've got health and wellness, quick fire questions.
Okay.
Let's get straight into it. Favourite ingredient in Just and why?
Okay, well, I'm going to cheat because they're both in both of them. But for this one, it's the lion's mane mushroom, and that is amazing for focus. This one, ashwagandha, great for stress, resilience. Yeah, so those two.
One supplement you'll never skip.
CBD oil every day.
What's your morning wellness routine?
Get the kids out of bed, ready for school, greens powder into a glass, water, blend up, down the hatch.
Go-to meal for energy?
Pasta, gotta be pasta.
Best hack for better sleep?
Don't look at your phone a few hours before bed.
Favourite way to de-stress?
Exercise, makes you feel so much better.
Cold showers, yes or no?
I know they're good, I'm too much of a wimp, no.
One piece of wellness advice you swear by?
Just try and get as much sleep as you can.
Stretching or strength training?
Probably strength training, good for your bone density and really important to maintain muscle mass as you get older.
Biggest myth in the supplement industry?
Multivitamins contain too much of stuff that you don't need, not enough of the things you do need, and yeah, products that are engineered to a price point that don't work.